Folks, here we have a Jensen 7070, which is my latest project. This one really, it was a year in the making. This is a metal base, factory metal base, and I joined two of them together, and it was very tough to do. That's why I will never do another one. Wood is so much easier, but I did put a wood plinth underneath it. I've got 4 lugs soldered inside the base on each corner, and then plinth screwed to kind of give it stability to keep it from warping, which it really wanted to do. And I'm going to pause it here, and then we'll get it going here in a second. Be back. All right, I think she's coming up to pressure now. Let's get the left engine going. This heater pushes about 550 watts. There's a 1. And 2. There we go. Get the initial water off of there. I'm going to turn down the wattage now. About 200. There we go. And let's take a look about it. Special tag made for it. It says 700 watts, but it's not. It's more like 4 amps. That's a 770. So this base was a very hard thing for me to pull off. Getting that large without it being warped. I do like the look of it from overhead, with that kind of a neat V arrangement to it. For some reason it's got a radio look to me, like radio dials, old. The engine on the right's a little bit newer than the one on the left, and it thumps more. They both have 2-tiered Jensen type pulleys on.